Christmas celebrations are not complete without some sugar cookies. So on the 7th day of Vlogmas, I'm going to tell you how to make sugar cookies in a bowl. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's start today's recipe, and that is sugar cookie in a bowl. So let's get started. First of all, in a bowl that is microwave proof, we are going to take 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Into this I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of sugar. Just give it a stir. Once this is mixed properly, I'm going to add 2 egg yolks into this. Just stir again. And now add 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And 1 teaspoon of sprinkles. Stir again until it becomes like a soft dough. Like this. Once it's ready, set and top it with some sprinkles, and now bake this in microwave for 1 or 1.5 minutes. Now this is our ready sugar cookie in a bowl, and it's looking adorable. Now this has all the ingredients of the sugar cookies, but this one is without any fuss. It's very simple to make. Now imagine the same flavor, the same festive look made in minutes in a bowl in the microwave. Now this looks really beautiful and yummy too. So I hope you like the recipe, and please do try this. This is a very quick and easy recipe, and kids are really going to love this. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please do try the recipe and share the pictures on my Instagram page. And do not forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. So until next time, this is Dipali from dipaliori.com.